Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to edit Google Ads campaign. Now, first things first, you want to come here to Google Ads and then under campaigns, click on campaigns again and click on settings, and you can go ahead and select whichever campaigns you want to change the settings for. Click on edit, and then for example, you can change the bid strategy. You can go ahead and change your amount you want to bid for. There's other settings you can also change, the campaign name, campaign type, what the status is, if you want to enable one, you want to pause it, if you want to remove it, basically delete. You can also go ahead and edit to choose device targeting settings if you want to target specific devices. Of course, we looked at the bid strategy, and you can also go ahead and do content exclusions where you choose what kind of content or ad placements where you don't want to show your ads. And of course, you can also do a frequency capping where you select the number of times you want your ad to appear for each person. And you can also do the delivery method, the budget, start date, end date, ad rotation, all of these settings. You can also go ahead and choose specific languages as well. So I hope this guide provided value to you, and if it did, guys, consider smashing that like button as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions, and I'll see you guys in the next one.